Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down the latest in beauty and personal care so you can make informed choices. Let's talk about a device that might just change the way you think about oral care, the Water Flosser for teeth. We all know that flossing can be a hassle, but this portable cordless flosser promises to make it a breeze. If you're looking for a quick, effective, and travel-friendly solution for your dental health, stick around. This one might be for you. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Now, let's get into the specifics of this water flosser. This device is designed to help maintain optimal oral hygiene with ease. It boasts a powerful 2000 mAh battery, providing up to 60 days of usage on the lowest pressure mode, making it ideal for those who are always on the go. It comes with 4 different nozzles, each with its own purpose, offering a 360-degree rotating feature for that all-around clean. The 265mm water tank ensures you can get a full 60-second cleaning session without needing to constantly refill. Plus, its IPX7 waterproof rating means you can safely use it in the shower, adding to its convenience. When it comes to performance, the flosser operates at a high-frequency pulse of 1400 times per minute, which is excellent for removing plaque and promoting gum health. The 4 customizable cleaning modes cater to a range of needs, from a gentle, beginner-friendly setting to a more intense mode for deep cleaning. The gentle mode is perfect for those who are new to water flossing, offering a comfortable yet effective experience. Now let's talk about how it actually feels during use. The design is super lightweight, making it easy to maneuver in your mouth. You'll feel a strong, pulsing stream of water that really gets between your teeth and along the gum line, helping remove debris and plaque that traditional flossing may miss. The wide-mouth water tank is easy to refill, and the device itself is simple to operate. No complicated buttons, just a straightforward, efficient flosser that gets the job done. Like any product, this one has its pros and cons. On the plus side, the large water tank ensures that you get a full cleaning session without needing to stop and refill. The 4 nozzles make it versatile, and the rotating feature helps get to those hard-to-reach spots. Plus, the long-lasting battery is perfect for travel and everyday use. However, the device could be a little bulky for those who are used to smaller, more compact flossers, and the water tank might feel a bit large for smaller hands or tighter spaces in the bathroom. But these are minor considerations when you look at the overall functionality and convenience. When it comes to value for money, I think this water flosser holds its own. It's priced competitively compared to other high-end flossers, but offers impressive features like multiple nozzles, long battery life, and a durable, waterproof design. If you're someone who travels often or prefers an efficient, mess-free flossing experience, this is a great investment in your oral health. In terms of build quality, the device feels solid and well-constructed. It's made from durable materials that should withstand regular use, and the waterproof feature is an added bonus for those who like to use their devices in the shower. As for longevity, the long battery life and rechargeable design make it a great option for those looking for something that will last beyond a few months of use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get one of these for yourself, the link is in the comments. Customer support from the brand has been solid in my experience. I haven't needed to reach out yet, but based on their 12-month warranty and the reputation of the brand, I feel confident they'll be responsive if needed. As far as updates go, there haven't been any major ones for this product yet, so what you see is what you get. That said, it's a well-rounded device that doesn't feel like it's lacking anything. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, there are other water flossers out there with similar features. Some models may not come with quite as many nozzles or have as high of a frequency pulse, but they can still offer solid performance. It's all about finding the right balance for your needs and budget. To wrap it up, this water flosser is an excellent tool for anyone looking to improve their oral care routine. It's easy to use, versatile, and offers good value for the price. If you're someone who struggles with traditional flossing or is looking for a more efficient way to keep your teeth and gums healthy, this could be a great fit for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Don't forget to share your own experiences with this product in the comments below.